Well, I needed to go live here to show, most times it's very good that you bring up to speed. This is the Umuahia-Uzoakoli-Abiriba road. If you apply this road, you know that where I'm standing used to be a very dangerous area. At a point, some Fulani herdsmen took over this place and they started kidnapping some of our brothers and sisters. So, but now this road now is very smooth, motorable. That is why you can see. If this was before now, I can't even have the mind to stand there because the kind of pothole you see here. So you can see the distance. This axis is being handled by Rainbow. I think that's a construction company. So you can see, before now where I'm standing, Fulani herdsmen used to take over. So for me to have mind to be doing live video here, you know that things are not at the way before. So this is highly commendable, This I thought I looked at their drainage. I think I did a video of that drainage which I will post very soon. So this is, you can see the distance of this road doing well. You don't need to be in his party or in his government to say the person have done well. So for this one, with you have done well. We'd apply this road almost on weekly basis. We know how it was, but today is very smooth. I just went live now so that people will just see. For me to stand here now and be doing this video, say things don't change. Here used to be a very death trap because Fulani herdsmen took over this place before now. But let me just, see that's the distance. This is the Akara. Once you pass, we come to Supato. So I am inside the Supato. See the distance. Now live at another section of the road that is being handled by a different. This place is still, I am in the Supato, the popular Umuahia-Uzoakoli-Abiriba road. So you can see the level of good work that they are doing. The contractor is still on site. So you can see the level of good work. I think I'm seeing one of the supervisors. So I would like to speak with him. So you can see the drainage that the company constructed. You can see how smooth the road is. So I will show you. This road is total 67 kilometers. A total of 67 kilometers given to 3 different contractors. So from Umuahia, you see Greenberg. Then here I think there is this one is this company. FCC. So you can see. You can see for yourself. You can see. This company started from somewhere, just a distance after welcome to Supato. So you see the level of work. No more pothole. This used to be a very dangerous place because I apply here almost every week. So you can see. Let me go far and show you some of the job. So when next you are traveling from Umuahia to Abiriba, going to Umuahia-Uzoakoli-Abiriba, you don't need to be afraid. For some of our brethren who are far, the road is now smooth. The road is now very, very, so you can see this one now. This particular contract started somewhere at that palm tree, and I think this is the second contractor I'm seeing. So you can see for yourself the level of quality job they are doing. Total reconstruction of the road. So I just said, let me show you. Okay, fast like this. Fast like this. Follow like this. Both Tuasa. Yes. Yeah. So, well done. So you see, men are still on, like the contractors are still working. Quality job, quality job. Very quality job. So it's not as if doing. So if you are coming back, I think the governor said this 67 kilometers will be ready by December. So when you want to come home, you will not be afraid. You can see it has a completed drainage. You can see the water when you passing on the road. One no GCK. Well done, well done.